Every time he snores, his wife's fake leg gives him a kick, so he rips his disabled wife's prosthetic leg right off while she's sleeping. He then hauls the wooden limb to the garage and callously tosses it into a fiery furnace, smiling as it burns to ash. When the woman wakes up, she's horrified to find her leg missing. Without it, she immediately crashes to the floor, forced to crawl helplessly towards her wheelchair on the other side of the room. But her husband's cruelty doesn't seem to stop there. He sneaks back into the bedroom and begins looting her jewelry box, stuffing every last diamond and gold chain into his shirt. After a desperate struggle, the woman finally makes it into her wheelchair. Furious and heartbroken, she rolls out of the room, determined to confront the monster she married. She finds him in the garage, but he's not just a thief. He looks like a mad scientist. He has melted down all her precious jewelry into a glowing, molten liquid. He then rips out a handful of wires from an old car and begins sketching out complex blueprints. Just as he's admiring his strange schematics, she bursts into the garage, ready to unleash her fury. But she stops dead in her tracks when she sees what he's holding. He turns and presents her with a stunning, brand new prosthetic leg, intricately crafted from her own melted down gold and diamonds. In a single motion, he pulls a cord, and a projector screen rolls down from the ceiling. On it are the words, "Happy Wedding Anniversary." It was all a ridiculously elaborate plan to give her the gift of a lifetime. Tears of anger turn to tears of joy as he puts on their favorite song. She puts on her new leg, and they share a dance, closer than ever before.